Find the point-slope equation for the line containing the points -1, 2 and -6, 4. To find an equation of a line, we need one point and the slope. Well, we certainly have a point, but we're missing the slope. So the first thing we need to do is to find the slope of a line. Here we have the equation for finding the slope of a line. The change in y's over the change in x's, in other words, rise over run. These subscripts 1 and 2 are used to distinguish the point 1 and point 2 from each other. It makes no difference which point is considered x sub 1 and y sub 1. What matters is that we subtract the y coordinates in the same order that we subtract the x coordinates. So arbitrarily, I'm going to choose the y sub 1 value here and the corresponding x sub 1 value from the same point to replace these values in our slope formula. Then we move to the second point, our y sub 2 value here, our x sub 2 value here, and replacing those with those values from that second point results in the following ratio, which we will then simplify. Simplifying the numerator, we have 4 minus 2 is 2, minus a minus is plus, so -6 plus 1 results in -5. We now have our slope of -2/5. Using a point, and either point will work with our slope, we're now ready to find our equation for this information, and to do that we'll use our point-slope equation, replacing the subscripted values with one of the 2 points given, and m for the slope results in the following. If we use that first point, we have our y sub 1 value of 2, our x sub 1 value of -1, and the slope that we found, -2/5. Simplifying further, this equation transforms into a +1, replacing the minus a minus here within the parenthesis for our point-slope equation for this problem where we started with 2 points.